how to create and manage channels in Slack. So first, go to Slack, and then you just need to click on the plus icon here at the bottom, and then click on channel. Okay, now once you're here, you can see a lot of templates here. But if you want to use these templates here, you need to have a plan here in Slack. So if you want to create your own channel from a blank one, you can just click on blank channel, and then click on next, and then type in your channel name. So I'm just going to type in test here, and then you just need to choose the visibility, public or private. Let's say I'm going to choose private here, and then click on create. And then now here you can add people here. Just type in their name or email. If you want to skip it, you can just skip it for now. And now here you can start managing this, adding people, scheduling meetings, or just customizing it however you want. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.